Hi, our topic is about illustrating quadratic equations. Let's begin. A quadratic equation has a standard form of ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0 where a, b, and c are called the coefficients of the unknown variable, a is not equal to 0, and x is the unknown variable. The coefficients a, b, and c are known real numbers that are called as coefficients in the equation. A is not equal to 0 and x is the unknown variable. The unknown variable can be any letter and is always preceded by a coefficient. The characteristic of the quadratic equation is that the highest degree of the equation is 2. It is composed of 3 terms. The term with a degree of 2, which is ax squared, is the quadratic term, bx is the linear term, because its degree is 1, and c is the constant term, because its degree is 0. Let us simplify and identify which of the following is a quadratic equation. If the equation is quadratic, transform it into the standard form. In the first equation, it is a quadratic equation because the highest degree of the exponent is 2. Its standard form is the equation itself. The second equation is not quadratic because the highest degree is 1. The third equation is quadratic with a degree of 2 in the exponent. The standard form is 4y squared plus 8y plus 10 equal to 0. The fourth equation is not quadratic because the degree of the variable is 9. The fifth equation is quadratic with a degree of 2 in the exponent. The standard form is 2d squared plus 11 equal to 0. It is still acceptable even though there is no linear term. The sixth equation is not quadratic because when simplified, the highest degree of the exponent is 3. The seventh equation is a quadratic equation with 2 as the highest degree of the exponent when simplified. The eighth equation is not quadratic. When simplified, the highest degree becomes 3, because the equation is an example of a difference of 2 cubes. The ninth equation is a quadratic equation which has 2 as the highest degree of the exponent when simplified. The 10th equation is not quadratic. X is needed to be multiplied to the whole equation in order to simplify it. It resulted to the equation having the highest degree of 3 for the exponent. Remember, the quadratic equation has an equation that is of the second degree. The standard form of quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. This is the end of the presentation. Thank you.